Hey, good people. So I made an anchor chart for the states of matter. All right. So we're just going to go over this anchor chart together and you'll be able to use it when you do your Google form. So remember, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. And when you think of space, you should also think of volume. Once again, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. When you think of space, think of volume. And we know we have 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. So let's focus on solid really quickly. Solid has definite volume and definite shape, meaning the volume and the shape will not change no matter what container they are in. The molecules of a solid vibrate and they are tightly packed. Don't y'all love my drawing of a solid? The molecules, as you can see, they're all touching each other because that's what particles of a solid do. They're all tightly packed and touching each other. And then the last thing, a solid has the least amount of thermal energy. When you think of thermal energy, just think of heat, okay? Solids have the least amount of thermal energy. When you think of thermal energy, think of heat. The next state of matter we're going to talk about is a liquid. A liquid has definite volume and an indefinite shape. So that means a liquid will take the shape of whatever container it is in. The molecules slide past each other. Here's my drawing of a liquid. So as you can tell, the drawing or the particles in a liquid, some of them are still touching each other, but they're more spread out than the particles of a solid because they are sliding past each other. And then we have the last one, which is gas. Gas has an indefinite volume and also an indefinite shape, meaning gas, the volume and the shape are going to take whatever form of the container. The volume can change because it's really hard to contain gas. Think about air. The molecules in a gas move freely. They are bouncing all over the place, which is why when I drew my particles of a gas molecule or gas, they're just all over. None of them are touching, all right? Gas has the most amount of thermal energy. Once again, gas has the most amount of thermal energy. Solid has the least amount of thermal energy. Gas has the most amount of thermal energy. And just so you can see my drawings, if you look at how the molecules are drawn, you can tell solids are tightly packed because they vibrate. They're very close to each other, like they're always touching. Liquids, they slide past each other. Sometimes the molecules are touching because they're sliding, like if you were rubbing your hands together. And then a gas, the molecules are moving freely. They're bouncing all over the place when in whatever container they are in. And that's it. Here are your 3 states of matter. And I'll see you guys on Monday.